This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about video games. Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games, especially in my free time. They're a fun way to relax and unwind, and I like how they let me escape into different worlds. I particularly enjoy games with good stories or strategic challenges.
What types of video games do you like to play?
I mostly enjoy adventure and puzzle games. Adventure games allow me to explore interesting places, while puzzle games keep my mind active. Sometimes I also enjoy multiplayer games because they're a great way to connect with friends.
Do you think playing video games has any benefits?
Yes, I think there are benefits to playing video games. For example, they can improve problem-solving skills and hand-eye coordination. Some games also encourage teamwork and communication when playing with others online, which can be valuable skills in real life.
Have video games changed over time?
Definitely, video games have changed a lot. Graphics have become incredibly realistic, and the stories are much more complex now. In the past, games were simpler and mainly about beating levels, but now they often feel like interactive movies with rich characters and plots.
Do people in your country play video games often?
Yes, video games are quite popular in my country. Many people play them on their phones, consoles, or computers, and there's a large community of gamers here. It's common for people of all ages to play, especially young adults who grew up with gaming.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a piece of technology, not a computer, you use often. You should say what the technology is, how you use it, how it makes your life easier, and explain why you use it so often.
A piece of technology one use often is my iPad. It's incredibly useful for both work and personal tasks, making it a central part of my routine. I use it daily for reading, taking notes, and organizing my schedule. It's also great for staying connected, as I use messaging apps and video calls to communicate with friends, family, and colleagues. One of the main reasons I rely on my iPad is its versatility. With a lightweight and portable design, it's easy to carry around, and the functionality is impressive. I use it to read books and articles, which is comfortable on its larger screen. The iPad is also like my digital notebook. I can quickly write down ideas, draw, or plan projects with the stylus pen, and everything saves automatically, which makes it really handy. The iPad also serves as a tool for relaxation. I often use it to watch movies, browse social media, and play games in my free time. With its high-quality display and sound, it offers a better experience than my phone, so I find myself reaching for it whenever I want to unwind. It's also excellent for streaming and lets me enjoy content on a bigger screen wherever I go. Overall, my iPad is more than just a device. It's a tool that enhances productivity and relaxation in my life. Its multifunctional nature and ease of use make it a valuable part of my daily routine, allowing me to balance work, study, and relaxation in one portable, efficient gadget.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about technology. How has technology changed people's lives in your country?
Technology has greatly changed people's lives in my country. Communication has become instant and easier thanks to smartphones and the internet. It has also influenced the way people work, as many jobs now rely on technology for efficiency. For example, remote work is more common, allowing people to work from home. This change has made life more flexible and productive.
Do you think people rely too much on technology nowadays?
Yes, I think people rely heavily on technology today. Many of us use it for everything, from checking the news to managing finances. While it makes life easier, I think this reliance can sometimes be a disadvantage. For example, if there's a power outage or no internet connection, people may feel lost or unable to complete basic tasks. Technology is useful, but balance is important.
What are some of the disadvantages of using technology?
One disadvantage of technology is that it can make people less physically active. With many tasks being done online, like shopping or working, people spend more time sitting, which isn't great for health. Another downside is privacy. As we use more technology, our personal data is more exposed. There's also the risk of addiction, especially with devices like smartphones, which can be distracting and time-consuming.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.